Well, hello everybody. Sam here once again with another video. So we got another product for you. As you can see, we have the Amazon Luna controller, which we just got in today. And so it's back some time ago. I tried out Google Stadia. It didn't work out very good. So now we're going to be trying Amazon Luna. So yeah, folks, going to be checking it out. So let's do this. We're going to get it open real quick. Nice packaging, nice controller. Nice box, nice purple themed color that they got here. So we'll take a look at some specs here. Yes, so this is Wi-Fi. So this USB-C and this controller connects directly to Luna servers through the Wi-Fi. So it doesn't go through the PC or through your Fire Stick, which they say. Direct Wi-Fi connection to the servers reduces latency, so we're going to check all that out later. But right now we're going to get this open and take a look and see what you got. So if you want to pick up the Luna controller, as of right now, this video, let's just take a look at the date here real quick. Let's see here. Let's just check something out. So as of March 11th, 2022, that this video is being recorded, it is on sale for $49.99. It's normally a $70 controller, I think, $80, but it's on sale right now for $49.99. You can pick it up, and if you have a credit card, you can even do monthly payments. So yeah, check it out. So if you want to pick one up, pick it up, and I'll get a link for you. All right, so let's check it out. Let's open it up. In the packaging, it's right here. Got your packaging there. So we've already cut the tape. And this nice triangular semi-hexagon shape, I guess. So we'll check it out and open it up. Nice packaging for Amazon. Nice black interior there. And there's the controller right there. You don't get very much, but you do get the controller. So here it is. Looks a lot like, many people do say that, well, I got black on black here on my table. But you guys can see it here. So right there. So many people say that this looks like looks and feels much like an Xbox One controller, and it actually kind of does resemble an Xbox controller if you look at it right there. 2 analog pads, D-pad, home button, which is the Luna button right there, as you can see right there, and then you have more buttons on the side, and you got your A, B, X, Y, shoulder buttons on top, trigger buttons, USB-C type on the back, and then we have the battery compartment right there, the Amazon Smile logo, which I do believe this runs off of AA batteries. So we'll see if Amazon has included those. Hopefully they did. Yes, they did. Literature right here, the little booklet, instructions, tells you about the controller. And yes, they did include the batteries, so batteries were included. And I'm sure they are Amazon branded batteries, more than likely. Yeah, well, it's an Amazon product, so why would they be something else? There they are, Amazon Basics. Your batteries there. So get those right there. So that's about all you get. And you get the little booklet right here. Instructional booklet, which you may need to read. Yeah, you may need to read this. Very small print. Not accessible to me, being visually impaired, legally blind. So I'll probably just look for a setup video or something on how to set this up. Or I can put this under my video magnifier. Oh, let's check it out. So anyway, we got batteries here. So all you do is just open up the batteries right here. Open up the compartment right there. It opens up on the back right there. Just like that. And put your batteries in. Or else you get the Amazon battery. I believe they're oriented this way. Get a little windy outside. So we got that there. Put the batteries in. I'm doing one-handed right here because I'm holding the camera with one hand because I can't seem to find the attachment for my tripod. It's got to be there somewhere. But I'm not about to go looking for it right now. Hunting it down. So it's there. We got it. Batteries are in. You put your battery cover back on right there real quick. And then I do believe you download the Luna app. Right there. And I think it says, I think from what I've seen, you press and hold the Luna button right there, and then there's an orange circle, which I can't really do that right now because I'm recording with the camera. So the device that I'm using is the device that has the Luna app on it. So yeah, folks. So anyway, that's about it right here. Luna controller. Maybe I'll do some more videos on this if the demand is enough. There's plenty of videos out there showing the Luna experience and stuff. But if I get any demands for it, I can do more videos and yeah, all right, folks. So that's about all you get in the box. Not much more. All right, folks. So you all take care, and I will see you next time with another video. Or, like I say, possibly more Luna videos if you want. All right. Peace out, guys.